All right, let's break down the U.S. stock market for the week ending April 2nd, 2026.
After a really tough March, the market bounced back hard. So, what was the big story this week?
While all the major averages posted some solid gains, the Nasdaq really led the way, up 4.4%.
The main driver? Hopes for de-escalation between the U.S. and Iran. But things were very touch and go.
And you can see how headlines just whipsawed the market. One day a dip, the next a huge rally.
So, this whole roller coaster created a really clear rotation. Let's look at who won and who lost.
No surprise here. Growth stocks like tech and communications absolutely surged. Energy, not so much.
This is classic risk-on sentiment, right? We saw a sharp rebound in those beaten-down semiconductor names.
Okay, but it wasn't just geopolitics. Let's check out yields, oil, and the latest economic data. Over in the bond market, the 10-year Treasury yield actually dropped 13 basis points this week.
And oil prices were just wild. They spiked over 11% on Thursday alone, closing above $111.
But through it all, the U.S. economy looked pretty solid. Check out this strong data.
So what's the big takeaway for all of us heading into next week?
Look, despite the nice gains, the market's still on shaky ground with some major risks out there.
And what's coming up next week? A whole bunch of inflation data that could really move things.
Which leaves us with a big question. Will that inflation data fuel this rally or just stop it cold?